several attempts were made by Pakistan on spreading a misinformation campaign, as we have seen for the last few days. There were attempts made to say that our S-400 at a northern base was destroyed, which was completely false, and that it was destroyed by a JF-17. It was a false information. Also, that the BrahMos installation was attacked and it was destroyed was false. The destruction of airfields at Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Bhuj, Nalia, etc. was also a false claim. The forward ammunition dump at Chandigarh and Beas are also fit and fine, and we showed you these in the photographs in the morning briefing today. Also, there was a certain different way of miscampaign that Pakistan conducted by its press, conducted in a manner which was completely misleading and devoid of facts. Pakistan has been spreading fabricated allegations that the Indian Armed Forces have targeted mosques. Let us make this very clear here, that India is a secular nation and the Indian Armed Forces are a reflection of our constitutional values. We hold every place of worship of all faiths in the highest regard. Our operations have been aimed exclusively at terrorist camps and facilities being used for anti-India activities. No religious sites, I repeat, no religious sites have been targeted by the Indian Armed Forces. Over the past few days, as we have seen, Pakistan has suffered very heavy and unsustainable losses after it has given us an unprovoked attack on our installations. It has suffered losses in both land and air. There has been an extensive damage to the crucial Pakistani air bases like Skardu, Sargodha, Jacobabad and Bholari. In addition, a loss of AD weapon system and radars made the defense of Pakistani airspace untenable. Across the line of control, extensive and precise damage to military infrastructure and command control centers and logistic installations. In addition to that, 2 military personnel had led to complete breakdown of its defensive and offensive capability and also Pakistani morale.
In conclusion, let me reiterate that whilst we will be adhering to the understanding that has been reached today, that is the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force, we remain fully prepared and ever vigilant and committed to defending the sovereignty and integrity of the motherland. Every misadventure by Pakistan has been met with strength, and every future escalation will invite a decisive response. We remain fully operationally ready to launch whatever operations may be required in defense of the nation. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. With that, we come to the closure of this press briefing. Thank you very much.
ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಇದೀಗ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ವಿದೇಶಾಂಗ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಸ್ನ ವಿಚಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, S-400ನ ವಿಚಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, F-17ನ ವಿಚಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಾಶ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ದಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಭಾರತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತ ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆದಿದೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಾರಿತವಾಗಿ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.